Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today, we have a special episode. Today is a sneakerhead holiday. Today is December 8th, 2018, and it is Holy Grail Day. The holiest of holy grails. This is a sneaker I've been waiting my entire life to get in my collection. I've never had this sneaker before. As great as it is, it always seemed to slip through the cracks, and now I finally have it in my possession. You've seen the title of this video. This is the detailed review of the Air Jordan 11 Concord, the Grail. This is one of the greatest sneakers in my collection for sentimental value alone. Now that I finally have you here, we'll do some quick overviews of the sneaker. I'll give you details of the history of this sneaker as well as the packaging, and we're just gonna talk about everything. So before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. You should consider subscribing. Over 600 videos in the archive, so make sure you go and check me out. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Drop gang in the comment section, and of course shout out to the whole Illumination Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right into this detailed review of the Grail, the Air Jordan 11 Concord. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Let go. And out of the sky they came. The sneaker gods blessed us with another one. Like I said, I've been waiting on this sneaker an entire lifetime. When this sneaker originally released in 1995, I was what? 8 years old, 7 years old. I was a kid. I remember asking my mom for these sneakers and she was like, hell no, I'm not paying $150 for sneakers. At this point in time, Jordans was $125, and after taxes and fees, $150. You always got a pair of Air Jordans for $150 when I was growing up and I was young. So Jordan brand blessed us with the OG packaging. Now a lot of people had a lot of gripes about the packaging. They wanted to pull out box like in 2011, but honestly it doesn't bother me. I enjoy this box just as much because I know the history. This is the original box. Of course this is a lot bigger, but back then they were a lot smaller. But this was the original OG box that Air Jordan, the 10 and the 11 came in. You got your black Air Jordan top with your red Jumpman and your white Air Jordan lettering. You have a gray bottom. The official name of this sneaker is the Air Jordan 11 Retro. This is a size 12. The official colorway is white/black Concord, and the suggested retail price on this sneaker was $220. That's definitely a big difference from 95 when it was $150 with tax. But ultimately this is a Grail. This is worth every penny. If you're going to pay full retail for any sneaker, especially in this sneaker era, this sneaker is definitely worth it. Don't sleep on these. So let's take them out of the box and let's check them out. Of course we're going to start with the official receipt. Shout out to Nike.com. I actually got these on a shock drop way before the official release date, and lucky I was able to scoop these up. So you got your typical black papering, something simple. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Air Jordan 11 Concord. You got the 4.5 on the heel. Like I said, this sneaker is 7 years in the making. The last time it dropped was 2011. You know, a prominent sneaker like this, you might get twice every decade. It's gonna be a long time before these come out again, like always. So when these drop, you definitely want to at least double up if you can afford it, because this is just one of those sneakers, one to rock and definitely one to stock. But let's do a quick overview of this sneaker. You have your white ballistic mesh upper with your white thick rope laces. Of course you got that Air Jordan in your third spacing going down your tongue. You have that all black patent leather as your toe guard wrapping around the entire sneaker. You got that Jumpman on the back of the heel. You got your 4.5 directly on the back. You have a white midsole with a icy semi-translucent blue outsole. Then you got your hits of Concord on your pods. Of course you got that Jumpman in the middle, and you got your carbon fiber shank plate at the bottom as well. This Air Jordan Retro takes comfort to another level, just like the original Air Jordan 11 back in the day. Comfort level is definitely there. Of course, you go true to size like you do on all your sneakers. I wear a size 12. These fit just right, not too loose, not too snug, just right. Glad to have these in the collection again. I was wondering when these were gonna drop. I've been making prediction videos a long time about these re-releasing again. And finally, 2018, we finally got to see them again. The public was waiting on this remaster. Of course, they hit us with the OG sample, the PE with the 45 on the back. I think that's dope in itself. I mean, what can I say about this sneaker? This is easily a top 5 sneaker. This is an innovative sneaker. What this model did for sneaker culture in general, this is just one of those sneakers. If you don't even like sneakers and you're not even into sneakers, this will still be a sneaker you'll notice if somebody puts these on and walks in a room. It has that touch, man. You got the Jumpman on the heel. This is Michael's legacy. Because of this sneaker, Michael truly is who he is. Michael wouldn't be as big if the Jordan 11 didn't exist. This easily could be dubbed the greatest Jordan of all time. The simple colorway, let alone that innovative, creative model. There was nothing like this. This sneaker will stand the test of time. When Michael Jordan is laid to rest in his casket, this will be one of the first things people think about when he's gone. I'm honored to have these, yo. You got the Nike Air on the insole. This is just crazy. These are just dumb, fire, Fugo, sauce. I mean, no cap. These are hard, man. Everybody was waiting on these. We know what these are, and I'm sure you've seen a million videos of these, but of course, let me know in the comment section down below. Did you pick these up? Did you cop these? Did you put that 220 up? I know a lot of people who are casual sneaker buyers who might only buy 1 or 2 pairs of sneakers a year. This was one on their list. This is the Christmas Jordan for 2018. A lot of people snatching these up. And I want to know, did you cop yours? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know anything that you think about these, your personal opinion. Do you like these? Do you hate them? I'm sure some people, I know some people who are not the biggest fan of these, even though I love them and think this is one of the greatest sneakers of all time. But let me know what you guys think. This is a bucket list achievement checked off of my holy grail list. I finally got a pair of Concords in the collection, and these are definitely going in the back and being put on ice, and I'll pull these out once y'all beat y'all's up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.